Hmong. Yay, I'm back at the original Hmong New Year's. Not that baseball stadium. Yo, back up with the shit again. It's been a while. Well, thankfully I'm actually at the good spot where everyone else is very familiar with. I don't know if it's the level of concrete, but I'm actually much taller than the majority of the people here. I don't remember what that is from last year. Pretty wicked. We're gonna wait for another Hmong fight. Y'all remember last year when they did that crazy shit, right? Ah, much better lighting. Oh shit, no. So here's the thing about Hmong movies. Props for them for actually making good movies and stuff, but they're usually just corny. If you could see it. Here's the thing about Hmong movies. Sometimes they basically get too over dramatic, corny, and they usually steal a lot of music. Oh, you doing something too? Yeah, okay. That's nice.
Here, you make some noise?
Oh, yeah.
A little louder here. Let's raise the energy. Make some noise! Treasure. This year, I embarked on a journey to create my own album on my own. And goin is the first song that I released on my album.
There's something in there.
Time to thank the vocal trailers.
Bingo.
I hope you guys like it.
Look at that sword going to the right. Soy boy. Soy boy's a fucking. Yeah, if anyone noticed anything new about this right here, Christmas, also Christmas, new shit right here. Oh my God, there's a cute little kid throwing up. My mom's getting some medicine that probably doesn't work. Oh, you just missed out the little beat. That was new. Something new. Ew, cancer. Watch all the girls go crazy over this shit. Ooh. Are you guys decided yet? Low-key wondering when the next fight is gonna come. You see it? It's kind of above my head. That kind of works. Oh, you can't see it so well, so I'm looking. This is actually my height level, so I'm taller than most people here. Holy shit, it's that place where they had that big ass fight.
Born in 99 and I got 99 chicks in my crib. It's got out the pen, I knew about it from his fucking team.
Well, not this year. More shopping, more stuff to do, more walking around. I haven't eaten yet. This ain't the spot, but it's a good place. It's kind of warm, so it's alright.
Only make the shit that when you listen, you gon' fucking quit. Not from Florida, but they like he go all these just a jet.
To the left, everything you own in the box to the left.
Yeah, I'm cool, but you don't wanna see that other side of me. But my niggas mobbing depot, I'm a fucking prodigy. I know that you've been envy, bitch, it ain't that hard to see. Don't you dare go fix your mouth and tell me that you proud of me.
暴风雨来临，电闪又雷鸣，争强好胜的我，可惜这一局没赢。暴风雨来临，电闪又雷鸣，对你的爱就像雨下了一夜未晴。You so sweet。